Okay, Tim, thanks for joining this particular demo session. So in this demo session, day one, at the same time, it is like a demo, and you will get an idea about how our training flow would be, what you can expect in this particular training, what you can expect in this particular training, and I'll try to address questions which you are going to ask, because I got lot of calls. Okay. Every day, last 10 to 15 days, I'm getting 10 to 15 calls per day for inquiring about this course. Once I start advertising about this course. So for most of them, I said join the day one and day one. So I did not give any explanation also. I given a message, a lengthy message about the course. So now I will take time to address, to answer all your queries. Okay. So I know there are plenty of questions. Okay. Today also I got 2, 3 calls. They were about to ask the questions. I said, don't ask, please ask in the meeting, so that others also will come to know, right? About the questions and answers. First, I will take couple of minutes to explain about the training flow. Okay. So then after I'll take all your questions. Okay, team, as you are well aware of it. Okay. So we are going to continue the training from today. So no doubt about that. Today is a day one. So we'll be having session tomorrow. Yes, we are having session tomorrow. The continuation to today's session is only tomorrow. Okay, so this course is mainframe developer course. So mainframe developer mainframe developer training, I can say, rather than course. Mainframe developer training. So what does mean? What is exactly we are going to discuss, right? So in this particular training, we are going to start with the TSOISPF. This is the first module which we are going to start. Who doesn't know about mainframes before? For them, this module is very, very important. Who knows already, who are working in mainframe operations, in mainframe support, mainframe scheduling. So for them, this module is well aware. So here and there you are going to learn. Okay, even when I am when I am attending your session, you might use some shortcuts, some commands. Those things also I might learn, right? So this is mainly for the people who doesn't know mainframe before. Okay, but anybody can attend, as simple as. Okay, this is the first module for anyone who wants to learn about mainframe. So in this module, I'm going to cover all these topics. You can go to this website later stage. You can refer it. Okay. So even you can find, if you click on this hyperlink, TSOISPF, if you click on here, you will get the PDF document. You can download it, keep it with you till you complete the training. So these are all the topics we are going to cover. Uh, okay, so how to connect to the mainframe server, how to install the emulator, how to connect to the server which we are going to use for practice purpose from your laptop, or when I'm going to do hands-on, how we do all of them, we will cover in this particular training. Okay, the files creation and TSO commands, all of them we are going to discuss. So to complete this training, approximately minimum 6 days going to take, and 6 to 10 days. Okay, I don't say that it will take only 8 days, or I don't say that it will take 8 days. So because when I am teaching any topic, there is a high chance one or two participants might ask a questions. I need to explain, right? When I explain, then it takes some time to explain. Like that, if everyone is asking questions, it might take more days. So hence, we cannot go with a fixed number of days. Okay. So that is if that is a we are not running with a very strict schedule, because if I run it, then I have to cut the some topics. If you keep asking the questions, I have to cut some topics, explanation, all of them, which I don't want to do it. Okay, let them ask. Let you ask as many questions you want. When you ask more questions, I'll get more interest to explain the topics in detailed way. When everyone keeps silent, obviously, it will very difficult, right? uh, any conversation, right? When we go together, when you are going with one person, only one person keep talking, how much time a person can talk? When opposite person also giving a responses, asking, involving in the discussion, so there will be interesting things will happen in the conversation. Same rule is applicable even in the training also, right? So keep asking the questions so that we can learn, we can discuss more stuff. So coming to this one, right? So it will take 6 to 10 days. Last 3 4 batches, almost I took around 8 to 10 days to complete TSOISPF. So when I say day, by the way, when I say day, day is equivalent to 1 hour. Okay, 1 day is equivalent to 1 hour in my context, in our training when we talk. So once we complete the TSO ISPO, where you will learn how to install the emulator, how to connect to the server in your laptop, by the way. Okay. So then how to start the hands-on TSO ISPF, files creation, different types of the files, all of them we are going to discuss. So once we complete this training, so we will be doing JCL module. Okay, so we are going to start with the second module is JCL module. So I know that some people are going to start COBOL after TSOSP. Generally, I don't do. I'll go with the corporate style. Okay, how in the corporate companies, how they do training, right? This is a style which they follow. Okay, most of the companies, I don't say everyone. 90% of the companies will follow this same pattern, which I am listing here. So to complete the JCL, it will take 9 to 12 days approximately. It might take minimum 9 days, max 12. It can extend also if it is required. I'll take more days. That is not a problem at all. So once we complete the JCL, then we will talk about VSAM. Hey Venkat, what you are going to teach? If you ask me that, please go to this particular JCL, this one, get it from here, what I'm going to cover. Okay, you can go through it quickly. So these are all the topics we are going to cover in our JCL module. GDC, DF sort is to utility, and IFBR, IEB general, IEB copy. By the way, we will start every module from the scratch. Even if you don't know JCL, we'll start from the scratch. Okay, so how to write the JCL, how to fix it, how to mm, I'll make intentionally, explicitly some errors, how fix them. We'll discuss all of them in this particular JCL. Then after, if I go here, click on VSAM. So there are topics you can see. There are around 13 topics are there. Okay, alternative index I will be covering in the COBOL module. Though it is a part of VSAM, I don't cover here. And that will be coming in the COBOL module. Okay. Rest of them, I'll explain how many types of VSAM files, differences between them, and how to create a entry sequence data set, KSDS, RRDS, LDS, how we can copy. We'll be discussing all of them. So once this will take 3 to 4 days, not more than that. 3 to 4 days, not more than that. Then after, then COBOL, which is very lengthy topic for us. It will take 20 to 25 days, around 1 month. Okay. This COBOL module, because we have, if I without this is everything is excluding weekends or the holidays which I take. So which means that 25 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours. If I go with the highest, if I go with the minimum, 6, 9, 3. 3 hours for VSAM, JCL for 9 days, TSOISPF 6 days. So coming to here, COBOL, I'll be discussing almost all the topics. Okay, I'll be discussing almost all the topics except alternative index. So because if I talk alternative index also, it will take more than 25 days. It will become more lengthy duration course. So due to that, for some topics, I will be giving the videos. That is one of them is alternative index in COBOL. I will give the pre-recorded video on alternate index concept alone, but rest of the topics, everything I'll be covering them. Okay. String will start from the basics of COBOL, writing the program, and how to make the errors, how to compile it, how to fix the errors, compilation process, how to execute, how we can see the output. All of them will see almost 24 topics. Okay. So then after next one, DB2. So DB2 will take 8 to 12 days to complete. And the next one is CICS will take 12 to 15 days. So here also, by the way, few topics I don't cover and our server will not support. COBOL plus CICS plus DB2. This we will not be able to do hands-on. I want to inform you well in advance because once you join the course, if I tell, then there will be argument, there will be a discussion, which I don't want. Okay, that's why I'm telling what I can give. What okay. So this topic you will get the video. You cannot able to practice because our server does not support. Then what you are going to teach, right? COBOL plus kicks plus backend is a file handling. So this is okay. This you can practice. Okay. Then TSQ, TDQ, paging logic. For these topics, you'll get the videos from me instead of discussing in the training. Okay. So then when it comes to the DB2, if you ask, okay, yeah, let's go to the DB2 first. So when you ask me DB2, select, okay, what I say for DB2 prerequisites for everyone. You should know SQL commands. I know some people are new to information technology IT. So still you have a 2 months time. Okay. Lot of videos are there in YouTube. Lot of articles, documents are there on SQL commands and SQL language, or you can say, okay, all of them. So start exploring them and learn them. Okay. So this is total, what are the courses we are going to cover? So if I count only minimum 6 plus 9, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 20, 38. So this is again 46, around 52. So it is going to take 55 plus days only, not lesser than. Okay, excluding these videos which I am talking. So then you are going to get around 4 plus hours interview questions, okay, which I have only for my participants. Most of them are there in YouTube channel. I want to accept that. Most of them are there in our YouTube channel, that is Venkat, since 2010. But there are some specific videos are there which I discussed and recorded in the previous batches on top module wise, not for all the modules, for a couple of modules. I'll give them for you so that you guys can go through it. So then you'll get the soft copy material, whatever, okay, soft copy materials, whatever the materials I have for these models, I will give them. Then class notes. Now what I am writing now in the notepad, that is called class notes. You no need to write anything on your book, everything I am writing. Okay. Later stage, go there, what we discussed, explore in the Google, ChatGPT, or wherever you want. But you have to listen our class as simple as. Then you will get the server access to practice. You will get the server access to practice from tomorrow, from the day when you pay, or 1 or 2 days till you complete the training. The last day of training will be the last day of your mainframe server access. The training would be Monday to Friday. So you should be ready for conduct to attend the weekends also. Okay. So you should be ready for attending couple of weekends. The reason why I say weekends team, because sometimes due to my office work or health or due to some functions or a vacation, as you know, right? December, most of the people will take vacation. January, we have a festival. So if I take any leave because of my leaves, the training should not drag to 4 months, 5 months. I don't want to do it. Okay. Whatever the day I started, from there, 3 months plus 10 days plus minus, I should able to complete it. 3 months itself is a long journey. Okay. So it's a long journey. It is not a short. 1.5 month is okay for learning. 3 months is a very lengthy course, lengthy and long learning journey. But still, we don't have option, right? To understand in a better way, we have to discuss the things, each topic practically on mainframe server. So for that, okay, where if I take any time, any leave to compensate that, I will cover on the weekend. Okay. So that if I take any 1 or 2 days off, as I already covered on the weekend, or I'm going to cover, it will be balanced. Okay. Your training duration will be balanced in the appropriate manner. This is usually I do it. Okay. So you will get daily, you can practice daily 3 hours per day. You can use more than 3 hours if someone, if nobody is using, because you're going to get the sharing basis ID. Okay, so we have multiple IDs, by the way. So we will be having sharing basis ID. Uh, you can use minimum 3 hours. I don't think someone will use more than 3 hours. I have not seen who is using more than 3 hours per day. But still, some people have a confusion or doubt that if I want to use more than 3 hours, so my commitment is 3 hours. I am responsible, but more than 3 hours you can use if nobody using that particular ID which is shared with you. Okay, that I can tell you. Okay, most of the cases, out of 5 people, only 2, 3 people will do hands-on. Why others are not doing? More than 60% people don't do hands-on due to their office work, due to other commitments, all of them, right? Because you know very well, in our batch, some of them will be, attending or already working, mainframe support or operations. So obviously they will not be having a time to sit and do hands-on. Okay, that is related to server access. Okay, uh, at the end of this course, okay, and there are some assignments I'm going to give you for JCL. Some of the assignments are there for COBOL. Like that, if you practice whatever I teach, and if you go through my YouTube videos, interview questions, and if you do hands-on SS assignment, out of 10 interviews, you can able to crack 6 interviews or 7 interviews. See what I said? First, attend these sessions on regular basis. Second one, do hands-on on regular basis. And whatever the assignments which I give, practice it. Then go to our Venkat since 2010 YouTube channel. Go through all the interview questions. More than 20 hours interview questions are there in our YouTube channel. Okay, lot of scenario based questions also I collected from mainframe communities. I discussed with the people and I shared with everyone availability. Then, okay, so then little bit explore additional extension of that particular topic. So practice daily basis, then where subject goes. All right. So mainframe technology point of view, I'll take care. Rest of the things you should take care. Okay. In the sense applying for the things. Okay. Then all okay. Technical interviews are there, you can able to do easily. So this is all about high level about training flow. Okay, I would like to take questions from you. One by one we'll take. I can see more than 70 people in the forum. Don't guys, don't think that all 70 people will join. Okay, that doesn't happen anytime. So far did not happen. But yeah, some people would have joined to know about my training flow, what he's teaching and all. Right? So yeah, it's time to ask the question so that lot of things will be covered now for you.
Suppose if anyone want to join any particular module like CICS or DB2, so this option is available.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, 100% it is available. So you
Yeah.
have to wait until I come to the CACS. Let's take an example. You want to attend DB2 on DB2 plus CACS alone. Let's you wait till I complete this. Then I will start publishing about DB2 kicks in my WhatsApp status. Come and check it, and or you can ping me further updates. You can after 2 months you can attend like this two DB2 CSS
Okay.
tentatively. Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Yeah.
You were mentioned that you will provide class notes. So along with that, will you be providing recording session links?
Along with,
Along with notes, will you be providing recording sessions?
yeah, I understood when you are asking about it. The answer is no. So upfront, I am telling team because uh, no videos will be provided. Conditions apply. My first commitment, my first statement. Once the training is completed, day one, day two, but I don't share. I'm not committing that I will give the videos. Okay, this is I'm doing
Okay,
since
thank you.
decades, since I'm doing more than 10 years. Okay, but as a participant, there are some topics, and even if you are intelligent or someone is intelligent, once you attend the topic, you cannot able to grasp. You may not able to understand. So I should see in the participant view also. Okay. I should able to think participant view. So then only I can I can play trainer role very well. Correct? So by considering all of them, I'm going to give the videos on all important topics. Okay, important topics. Example, I'll take a COBOL. So COBOL, most of them people are in support or operations and all. They don't know how to compile the program, how to go to the spool, how to fix the error, how to see the errors. So once I'll explain day one, that may not be sufficient to remember because we are discussing a 1 hour a lot, right? It is hard to remember how I went, where I went. So then I will give the videos for that. Like that, in COBOL, file handling is there. That is heart of the COBOL module in mainframe. Okay, so one time listening in the training is not sufficient. Then what I do, I'll give the videos. Okay, like that. There are very important topics. As a trainer, I know I'll give them. So you are going to get on not on a regular basis. You are going to get 50 to 60% of the classes videos, but not based on the daily basis. Okay. Then let's say, Venkat, you said about you're absent. If you are absent, you'll take on weekend. If I am absent as a student, yes, if you are okay, in 3 month journey, there is a possibility that you will be having some health issue. God grace, you
Yes.
don't have an health issue, but there is an event or there is a office work. So then what you have to do, you have to drop an email to me before the session, okay, 1 day or 2 days before, stating that, hey Venkat, I am not able to attend today. No reason. No need to say explanation. Just to say simply, hey Venkat, I will not be able to attend session today. Can you please provide the recorded video for this particular date? That's all. Okay. That if you do that, okay, yes, I can, after immediate session, the 10 o'clock or next day morning, I'll send the video so that you can come to the session. Why after watching the video, it will become more easy for you. You will be in the proper sync with the current day training. Okay, I hope that's that. I hope you got the answer now.
Yes, Venkat. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. The reason I say that straight away I don't give the videos team, because if I say I'll give a videos, so you have a right, not a request. You have a right to ask me. I don't want to give a rights to you. So I want to ensure that, okay. Uh, yeah, there are other technical reasons, not only that. Yeah. Go ahead. Next.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Yeah.
Are you
Hi.
going to cover REX, REXX in this
No,
main session?
Rex, yes, I do teach, no doubt, but not part of this particular learning journey. That is a different advanced course, REX, IMS DB assembly. Those are all advanced courses. So you can reach out to me on WhatsApp for that particular course.
Okay, okay.
Hi Venkat, Srikanth here.
Yeah.
Just wanted to confirm on the timings of these sessions because I hope today you have started around 9 p.m. But will it be same time throughout the complete training or will there be
Yeah.
any chance?
No change in the timings. Even weekends also 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. No disturbances in the timings. Okay.
Oh,
Because
okay.
because if I keep changing, then it will be disturbance for everyone. Okay.
Yeah, I
It's
understand.
so 9 p.m.
Okay, I'll reach out to
IST.
you, Venkat.
What time I
Actually, I have
started?
another concern. I have another
Yeah.
concern. I'll ping you separately. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Hi Venkat, this is Dinesh.
Yeah.
By the end of this training, post 3 months, so how much are we equal to the candidates that are already working on mainframe development? So how much equivalent for them?
See, technically, not project aspect, by the way, because I cannot bring 6 years project experience in 3 months. That is not possible. But let's say I want to ask a question in the mainframe technology topic perspective. Okay, bit of scenario practical oriented. So you can say even 10 years also. The beauty, I'll tell you, there are some seniors in this particular 70 members, right?
Mhm.
For 6 years, the questions what I ask, for 10 years also, I'll ask the same question.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, when it comes to the 10 years experience, as the experience is more, then the way I might ask questions from the project handling point of view, how you deal the conflicting situation, those questions ideally is a difference between 4 5 years experience person and 10 years experience. More or less, the scenario questions or mainframe technical questions are common from 3 to 5 to 10. Okay. For 3 years experience people, there is a lightweight questions because they have very less time, chance to escape scope, the less scope for them to explore. Even if I ask the question as an interviewer, they might say that I did not get a chance to work on it. So I got a chance to work on this part. Okay. Yeah. It's again, it's all about I want to highlight here also, team, whoever wants to continue further from tomorrow, my efforts are 50%. your effort should be 50%. Without that, you cannot reach your goal. This is, I want to straight away highlight it, because without doing hands-on to get the job is, I can say, almost impossible, until unless if you're a lucky fellow. Because some people will go through only interview questions in websites, YouTube, they will crack the interview. That is different story. But luck doesn't help always. Though you got the job through by going through interview questions, in project, who will help you? Again, you have to struggle, right? That's what I will say to all my participants. Or someone calls for guidance, I'll tell that, okay, if you get the job, well and good, but later you have to work on it, right? You should know technical, you should do hands-on. When the project manager asks what you do, what you tell, so there also you need it. So better you prepare in well in advance with practical experience, then everything is in your control. That I can say confidently. If you don't do hands in daily basis, at the third month you're going to show very less interest in the whole process. Okay. Yes. Any other queries?
Hi, Venkat, Mani here. Uh, I just wanted to know about the recording the video. For say example, if I'm not able to attend for like more than a couple of days, like 3 or 4 days, due to sickness or some other reason, due to work or something, will I be able to get for those days also, or like is there any
Yeah.
limitation?
So 10 to 15, yeah. 10 to 15 days is, the ideal recommendation. If you are not able to attend 15, more than 15 days, there is no point anyone to attend the training, because if you are missing 20 days out of 50, better you take videos. Okay. So yes, as you asked, 4 days, answer is yes. Okay.
Oh,
I'll continuous 4 days. You're on vacation. I can give you, not a problem. But please ensure that before you come to the live session, next day or next 3 days, watch them, so that you will be in a proper sync and you will be able to get more clarity. Okay, it's applicable for everyone, by the way, because I conducted today 3 days, you missed it. Fourth day you came without watching. So obviously there is a gap, right? What I delivered, what you attended day one, and what you are attending later. There will be a difference in the content. So to sync with the current status, better to watch the videos and come to the session. If you don't watch and come, I'll invite you. I don't have any problem. It's up to you, right? Yeah.
sure, Venkat. Yeah. And one more query. I mean the one you teach today, and we practice tomorrow. And come. If I have a query and come to you with that, I will be sorting out these queries, and then we'll proceeding with the session, or like.
Manikandan, I mean,
Yeah,
was breaking, but I
yeah,
understood a bit. Yeah.
yeah.
So, okay, what happens? Today I discussed, okay, tomorrow you will do hands-on based on your availability. Let's say you have some queries. I'll be creating a WhatsApp groups. Already I have it. Just I need to add you into the respective group, right? So there you can post your question. I'll be there to help you, and the people who are attending along with you, whoever knows, they will help you. In terms of the while you're doing hands-on, and if you stuck somewhere, you have some issue question regarding the topic or the point. Okay, I said, but while you are executing, it's not working. So you can ask me my availability. I'll try to answer. If I don't available, then I'll give a better explanation during the class, either at the end of the training or starting of the training, starting of the day.
Sure, Venkat. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi Anna, this is Navin.
Yeah.
యాక్చువల్గా లాస్ట్ 3 years నుంచి నేను నాన్ ఐటీ నుంచి చేస్తున్నాను ఇలా ఐటీలో మూవ్ అవడానికి ఈ కోర్స్ ఇలా రీచ్ అవుతుంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇలా జాబ్ కొత్తగా ఎలా ఉంటుంది training?
Yeah, so yeah, I got your question. Okay, see, it's all about how you do, right? Okay, uh, so you are in working in an IT. I guess you are well aware. Okay, the things. If you attend regular basis, if you practice, as I said earlier, then you'll be able to crack it, and you will be able to survive in the project also once you get the job. Okay, Naveen, you got the answer?
ఓకే. యాక్చువల్‌గా నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్ అన్న కంప్లీట్‌గా నాకు నైట్ క్లాసెస్ రికార్డ్ సెక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి కుదురుతుంది.
Yeah, okay, that is the case. Okay, you take the videos, not a problem, rather than attending the live session. If you want to take only videos, not live sessions, the videos are already ready, available. You can take them also. Okay, and during that time also you will get same features, soft copy material. If I have a class notes, I will provide it, doubt clarification, server access, everything will be automatically going to come to you. Yeah, okay. Any other queries?
I have one. I mean, if people who are brand new, they have no idea about COBOL or mainframe, how they gonna go and add this COBOL training as in their resumes as they have a working experience on it? You understand what I'm saying?
Can you repeat, Ismail?
Like somebody, I'm brand new in the COBOL, so how I'm gonna go add some kind of experience in my resume to apply for any job, or how I'm gonna go justify this training in my resume?
Okay. See, okay. I have a lot of interesting stuff for the, okay, like you people or whoever is much. So what we can do, right? Okay, I have a sufficient more enough assignments for COBOL. What I tell them, start doing the hands-on day by day, I mean, topic wise or daily wise. At the end of the COBOL, if I see the very good progress in terms of the hands-on, then what I do, I'll give a mini project. Okay, how corporate companies, they will give some case study or a project, right? It's not a real project, by the way. It's like a college project. So in college, at the end of the our college fourth year or third year, so we give a some requirement. You have to do it. So the similar concept, similar way, I give the requirement, and whatever we learned in the COBOL model, whatever you're going to learn, apply all of them, complete the assignment. Then you will get, I can say, 40 to 50% one idea. But yeah, why I say I'm not 100%, because real-time project is different, complexity is different. Okay, if you do three, four those type of small projects, then you can able to relate with the complex projects. That is how you can deal in your resume.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hi Venkat, this is Lokesh here.
Yeah.
I just want to know about in this course we can learn about any scheduling tools or mainframe tools like enroll or anything.
No, Lokesh. Okay. No, we don't discuss any version control tool. We don't discuss any scheduling tool or debugging tool, because those are all commercial tools. I guess since you are asking scheduling tool, you are well aware those tools are high, huge cost involved. Even if I pay 10,000 rupees for ID for 1 month, nobody is in a position to give tool access to us. Okay. So hence we cannot give the training on the any scheduling tool or any debugging tool or any version control tool. But I have some videos I already uploaded in YouTube channel. It is available at this moment for everyone to get a overview of the scheduling tools or version control tool or debugging tools. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So,
And also, I have another query. Like, in this course, like,
mhm.
how can I mean, how much I can expect, like, learn about CICS, like, how much percentage we can discuss in this course?
So 70% around. So how I can describe 70% means, on top of the content what we are going to teach, only four topics are left. In the sense, core topics like something called channels and containers. Okay, so channels containers, the one which is we don't cover. Otherwise, pretty much what exactly is required and how the companies are, what topics they cover, topics they cover in their respective company, fresher trainings or experienced people will include, we included all of them. Okay, so out
Yeah.
of 10, if you somebody ask in interview 10 questions, in interview on CACS, you can able to answer 7. You can reach it to 9 by exploring yourself a little bit more through some manuals. One or two, obviously, there is high chance they may go with their own experience question. That time we cannot answer. Make sense?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So there is any mock interview? Yes, if you want, we can organize. That's not a problem.
Hi Venkat, I have one query for you. Is there videos is like authenticated videos or like pre-downloaded videos?
Authenticated videos means?
Is like is like a pre-video like a downloaded videos you provide or like any mail requirement like every time if I want
No,
to
the videos
watch the
never
videos,
will
is
be
there
downloaded.
any?
Okay. No, no. You're talking about
Uh,
the no, no, no. You what? Okay, let me get a more clarity. Are you talking about videos? You want to take only videos, or you're talking about live session along with the videos?
no, no, only videos or like
Ah,
only videos because
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
in like
understood. Yeah, yeah.
yes, yes, so that's why I'm asking.
Hmm. Only videos are not downloadable. Okay, but it is accessible through some private platform which I have it. I'll give through them. Okay, you can check
Okay,
with
is it's
me
accessible to
offline
like
in WhatsApp.
every time,
I
right?
hope you have
Like
that. Yeah. Sorry?
yeah, okay, okay. I will test you in WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. This is my number. I guess you are aware.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, I know, I know. I got you now. I got you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Venkat, in this training session, any real-time project you explain or not?
So we will try to bring we'll explain any project we'll take, either insurance or banking project. We'll try to explain, okay, at the end,
Okay, thank you.
how it works on that. Yeah.
Hi, Venkat. This is Chandral Dev. Will there be any certifications after the 3-month course? Certified copy?
No, sir, I don't give any certification. Even if I give,
Okay.
I don't think it is useful for you because uh, I'm not recognized. I mean, any company is not recognized in my institute. Okay, so I don't think, if okay, any institute is giving some certification, it is a namesake you can put in your resume. Okay,
Okay.
because
Okay.
you get a certification from IBM certified, like CTS, Infosys. If you put that, it has more weightage, right? So that's why from the day one, I did
Okay.
not concentrate on giving the certification.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, Venkat, I just want to know, even I'm new in Mainframe. I work as in production support. People are talking about IPL. So will this topic will be covering something like that?
No, ITL is totally different ball game, right? Yes, since you are in production support, the how the incident comes, how do you, what is the, L1, L2, L3, L4, those things will come, but we don't discuss them. No, we don't discuss because it's purely developer oriented, right?
Okay.
So what you're talking about ITL, usually it will come in the
No,
support
no.
area.
Not ITL. It's IPL. You're talking about
I
IPL, Initial Lot Program.
no, we don't discuss. Okay, IPL, that I guess it's
Okay.
administration level, if
Okay.
I'm not wrong. Either programming, system programming, or that will be part of administration level.
Okay. So, is there any session you provided for it apart from this
No, we don't. We don't. We
training?
deal with. Apart from this,
Okay.
is a next
Okay. I
level
got it.
courses like, yeah, we cover REXX, IMS DB, assembler. These three we do. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, I got it. Fine. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Venkat.
Yeah. So if you want to ask any queries related to mainframe career point of view, also you can ask. Anything you want to ask, please ask me. And the next step, the process to proceed for the team, please WhatsApp me. This is my phone
Hello,
number is
Venkat.
the
Afford
Google
this
Pay
side.
phone pay number. Yeah,
Yeah, actually, I'm from
go ahead.
non-IT. Okay, for the non-IT, I would like to join in IT field. I have the 4 years of experience, but I don't have an IT experience. How will you cover in this?
See, that's what the first question which I got it right. Someone asked me, the content what you're going to teach, till which level it is going to reach. I said till 10 years also, right? So since you said 4 years, 5 years,
Yeah.
it is properly, appropriately manageable with this content. And if you try to explore a
Okay.
little bit project aspect also, that is not a big deal at all.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing is, in my company, I don't have PF. And how documents?
No,
How
no.
will you cover this?
Let's park those questions now. Okay.
Okay.
We discuss more only related to course. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Thank
Yeah, I was telling something, right, team? So from tomorrow to attend, you have to proceed with the payment. This is the Google Pay phone pay number. You can WhatsApp. Most of them knows the course fees, and I don't want to discuss even in this group also. Please WhatsApp me. So I'll tell you from there the process to proceed further if you want to attend. Continue. So tomorrow I'll be explaining little bit what is mainframe, mainframe features, career guidance, and where you're going to set and all of them. Then I'll start with the TSO ISPO. There might be a question, hey Venkat, you're asking upfront amount. If I don't like it after 3 days, unconditionally, I will return the money. Okay. Uh, I guess most of them knows about me. Okay. If you don't know about me, maybe somebody would have recommended my name. Okay. So if I want to be in the system, I want to be in this particular, the mainframe world, means I have to make some trust. All right. So I'm telling and repeating, even after you pay, let's say you attended 4 5 days, later you decided to drop from this batch due to any XYZ reason. I don't need any reason. Okay. After payment, after returning the money, I'll ask the reason. Before giving the money, I mean, in the sense, you paid money, you're asking some return. First, I will return the money, then I'll ask the reason. Okay. So that is once you pay 3 4 days, you are good to attend. Later you can decide, not a problem. Okay, because since you are paying amount, I have to create some trust and statement also in front of you, right? Obviously, some otherwise you will get some doubt that, hey Venkat, how we can pay, how we can trust. There are a lot of online cyber camps, things are happening. Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
Any other queries? Yeah.
yeah, Venkat. One more question. So, if we are not able to join the live session and we took the recordings from you, so in that recordings, we might get some any doubts. So how how should we contact you, like to get the clarity on the doubt? So is there any
See,
framework for that?
no, see, I don't follow proper formalities, schedule a call and all. Okay, I do what I do, team. Whenever you have a doubt, you can ping me. Whoever attended today's session, you would have felt, hey, Venkat, we called 3 times, 4 times. Between 1 week, we called it. I know very well. Okay. See, right? As I told you, minimum 15 to 20 days, I used to get the calls only for inquiries and guidance. Sometimes I may not able to answer, but once I save as my student, I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. Okay. So for your question, yes, once you give, once you take the videos, while watching the videos, you have a doubt, then I'm there to help you. Ping me or call me. We'll discuss about that. If it is needed, we need to sit for 30 to 40 minutes, 1 hour. Let's connect through Zoom and have a discussion by sharing the screen.
Understood. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Hello. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, hi Venkat. I wanted to know like IMS DB and the REXX. These topics will be covered in detail or not?
No, IMS DB is not part of this course at all, right? So, in the mainframe developer learning, this course, what I'm talking in this 3 months journey, there is no IMS DB, there is no REX, no assembler. That's why I did not highlight anything.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, if you want to know about them, yes, you can please WhatsApp me or you can go to our website. What are the topics I'm going to cover? Even if I kept 2 sample videos of every module in YouTube channel. So you go to REX, you go to IMSDB. In our YouTube channel, there are sample videos, the introduction videos of that particular course. Watch them, you'll get an idea. Then you can take a call. I hope you got the clarity, right?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Any queries?
Hi, Venkat.
Mm.
Yeah. So Venkat, I just want to know, actually, I just joined the call. Like I wasn't in a like a shift I'm working, so that's the reason. So I just want to make sure the part which you are going to cover, which is a TSO, JSL, VSAM, COBOL, DB2, and CSCS, correct? CICS. And
Correct. Correct.
are you gonna cover REX as well?
I do cover, no doubt, but
Okay.
not part of this particular program. That
Okay.
is
And
advanced course which I conduct separately for that.
okay. So is there will be like different training session will be there for these courses, like for REX, IMS,
Yeah,
DB?
yeah. See, for Rex, every quarterly I'll conduct once.
Uh-huh.
Not because Rex will take 15 to 20 days or
Okay.
18 to 22 days. So quarterly once
Mm-hmm.
or once in 4 months I'll conduct. Rex, IMSDB assembler, we are not dealing them now. We have
Mm-hmm.
only videos for IMSDB assembler at this moment.
Okay. Uh, and one more thing, like as I'm working in a shift, I might be not like for me, it's not possible to join the lectures. So in that cases, like I will get a videos and as well as I can join the live lectures as well whenever I have a time. Correct?
No, 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 no. That doesn't, I don't recommend also. Okay.
Okay.
And the course fees will be huge also for you. Okay. As you ask,
Because the
as
reason is
that
that
the
if
fees is not that much. No, no, I'm telling
no,
you. Okay.
uh,
See, let me finish, please. Okay. See, if you want to attend the live and the videos of the old
mhm,
batch, I'm very good to give. No problem. The fees accordingly it will be there. And I don't recommend also, though I get the money, though you are ready to pay, I don't recommend when someone has a shifts,
mm,
better you take a videos, okay? Because 1 week, 15 days, one shift, 15 days in another shift. So
mhm,
in these 3 months, the interest, what we are going to have the day one will not be there second and third month,
okay.
right? So stick with one. That is my recommendation based on my experience. I'm telling you, okay? There is no
Mhm.
force or this is you have to do. Are you getting my
Okay.
point?
Okay. Yep.
Based on
So,
my past past experiences from the participants,
mhm.
that is the recommendation I do. Better you
Okay.
take the videos, start doing learning. There also I'll
Yeah.
be there to help you.
Okay. So, my question is that only some in case if you have some doubts or anything, so you will be gonna help us, correct? If you
Yes,
got
yes, yes, sir. You're going to pay the money,
correct, and for that there will
not
be
a
some
small
different
amount.
sessions
Okay. I will be sorry.
for that doubts. We have some different sessions for that, or
See, depend. Yeah. See, okay. Okay. Depends on the doubt what you're asking. If a
mm-hmm.
call is required, let's deal the call. The call
Okay.
is not sufficient on the call, it doesn't work. Then
Mm-hmm.
we'll connect in the Zoom. Okay.
Okay.
99% with the call, everything will be done. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So one or two parties, 1 or 2% or 5%, you did not get clarity by phone. Then
Mm-hmm.
let's connect through Zoom and close the deal discussion.
Okay. Okay.
Again, bit depends on our both of uh, availability because okay, Zoom means I have to connect to laptop, I have to do it, right? So if you ask
Correct.
me immediately, it will be difficult for me also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, as you told earlier, I saw your YouTube sessions as well. On that, you mentioned you will want cover the CS7 and Endeavor. If we have the access, in that cases, you will gonna provide us the training. If it is like if you are going through with that tools.
Do you have the server? Do you have the tools access?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have a tools access, yeah, we can bring 1 or 2 people into the picture. But
Mm-hmm.
because see, how do you share it? That is a question mark. Again,
Correct.
it is a problem for you,
Policies.
right? First
Correct.
of all, I don't think, okay, though you have access, only there is a possibility that if you are
Mm-hmm.
in my place, like the Hyderabad, then if we meet physically, then there is no problem for you also,
No, no.
right?
Actually, I'm working from Pune, so it's
No,
not
no, just
possible.
telling an
Ah,
example, okay?
okay. Mm-hmm.
Though you are in Hyderabad, I may not ask you to come also because everything I do online, it depends story, right?
Mm-hmm.
So since you are in Pune, how do you share it? It's a question mark. You cannot share as it is a company property. It doesn't
Correct.
allow you. Even though it allows, I don't recommend it.
Yeah.
Whoever is next to you, you can take a guidance by sharing your laptop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more thing, so like if we share the past videos, like if you share the past videos, we will get access to the terminal as well, correct?
Yeah, sure, sure.
I
Yes, you'll get it.
okay, fine. Okay, so Venkat, actually I'm not a part of this session for since long time. I just joined. So where I need to pay the fees and all these things, is it
Let
possible to share on WhatsApp? Are you
yeah,
there?
let's discuss on you can WhatsApp, we'll discuss there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Venkat. I'm just going to end this
Yeah,
session
yeah,
as I'm
thank
in
you.
a shift. Yeah,
Yeah, correct.
thank you.
Yeah. So any queries? Steve?
So I get one more question. So you have answered, I think, but just wanted to confirm. So we can just go through your videos also. So we don't want to, I mean, if actually I'm experienced only, but I'm not into development, I'm in support. So can I go through your videos alone? Because that will give me more time to spend.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you can go through because see, what is the meaning of videos? What I conducted in the live sessions, I'm giving them, but not current batch, the old
Okay,
batch videos. So
okay,
both are
that's fine.
same.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So price point will be different for these two, is it?
Let's discuss. Yeah, there is slightly, not huge, but yes, obviously there is a slightly difference between online and videos. Slightly is different, but not a huge difference.
Okay, I'll WhatsApp you then.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other queries, team? Uh, I'll repeat again to proceed further. Please WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number, Google Pay, Phone Pay number, and you ping me. What is the next step? The things I will tell you there. Okay, we are going to continue our training from tomorrow. If you ask me how many participants are there so far I did not take any single rupee from any student. There are two, three people came forward to pay. I said them don't pay. Let's you pay after day one. So okay, yeah, right. So once I get the payments, only I'll get to know how many people are going to join. Till that, I will not come to know. But I'm expecting 15 people in this batch. More also can be there. I don't know. Maybe less than 15. Okay. Uh, we'll come to know by tomorrow as people will be start paying from today. Let's see. And I hope we'll get the good batch so that we can have good discussions in our training. Yeah. Any queries?